Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to select particular apps and then move it one time. Example, you can see I have some items like now in here, and I would like to move some few apps and I want to move it to in my main menu. How you can do so, but it will only work for Samsung device. So make sure your phone is Samsung and the latest Samsung, almost like it will work for A series or M series. Even my one is S series, so I hope it also work for you. If you whatever phone you have, you can try on it. Example, I want to move these three apps, so you have to choose these apps like this, and then you will get a new option which is called select item. Simply select that and select that, which however how many apps you want to select, so simply select that and then hold long press and it will just long bring it here, and you will see immediately that 4 apps automatically came to in your main menu. So before, what we do it one by one we add, but in these new features you can easily move together 4 or 5 apps with one time. Maybe you want to move some apps from here to here, you can do so same way. Select the particular apps you want to, just select like this and then simply press this and bring over here, and it's going to immediately come it here. So this is how you can easily move some many apps together within your main menu or anywhere in your mobile phone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.